Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An important development in the field of family-friendly transportation, the 2026 Ford Caravan is set to combine modern design concepts with improved functionality and advanced technology. A thorough depiction is made possible by well-informed estimates based on Ford's existing design language and market trends, even though specifics are still pending formal reveal. It is anticipated that the 2026 Ford Caravan's external design will harmoniously combine contemporary beauty with aerodynamic efficiency. A sleek and modern appearance will probably be facilitated by sculpted lines, a sophisticated front fascia, possibly a unique grille design, and cutting-edge lighting signatures. A well-considered roofline and well-placed apertures to optimize natural light and ingress/egress are suggested by the vehicle's silhouette, which is expected to prioritize interior volume and accessibility. The rear design will probably be influenced by aerodynamic factors. It may have an integrated spoiler and finely shaped surfaces to maximize fuel economy. According to projections, the interior of the 2026 Ford Caravan will be roomy and adaptable, painstakingly designed with premium materials and an emphasis on passenger comfort. It is anticipated that seating arrangements will be flexible enough to accommodate different passenger and cargo layouts to meet a range of purposes. Comprehensive networking, navigation, and entertainment options are probably going to be offered by sophisticated infotainment systems that are smoothly incorporated into an intuitive interface. It is projected that driver assistance technologies, which expand on Ford's current safety features, will become increasingly prevalent, improving occupant safety and driver confidence. Lane-keeping assistance, automated emergency braking systems, and improved adaptive cruise control are a few examples. The 2026 Ford Caravan's powertrain choices are anticipated to mirror the growing focus on sustainability and efficiency in the automotive sector. Although conventional internal combustion engines might still be available, Ford's larger electrification agenda is in line with the possibility of hybrid or even fully electric versions. In addition to lowering emissions, these other powertrains might also provide improved performance and a more peaceful driving environment. With a suspension system designed to efficiently absorb road imperfections, the vehicle's underpinnings are expected to favor a stable and comfortable ride. In terms of market positioning, families looking for a useful, cozy, and cutting-edge car that can handle both daily commuting and longer trips are probably going to find the 2026 Ford Caravan appealing. It will be positioned as a competitive solution within its segment thanks to its expected combination of modern comforts, safety features, and versatility. Together with a well-thought-out interior and possibly electrified powertrain options, Ford's most recent technological advancements indicate that the 2026 Ford Caravan will be an appealing solution for modern family transportation needs. Its development will probably build on Ford's well-established reputation for dependability and affordability, while embracing the innovations influencing the automobile industry's future.